Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is The Lovely. Nice to meet you. All right my loves, today's video is all about an autumn tag that I am joining my good YouTube friend Holly on. It's all about fall and getting to know me a little bit better. This is my first fall challenge, so I am really excited because I want you guys to get to know me better. And what better way to do it than to sit down in front of a nice fireplace? So cozy, right? I have my tea over here with the message of the day: let things come to you. And I am drinking a pumpkin spice tea. And I am ready to start this little autumn tag question. I will be tagging some more people at the end of this video, so please continue to watch, and I hope you enjoy getting to know me a little bit better. Okay, so question number one is, what is your favorite autumn color? Okay, for me, I love some burnt orange or some burgundy. Anything in that family. I am a big fan of dark colors. Question number two is, what is your favorite autumn outfit? Girl, for me, honestly, sweatpants any day of the week. I am a relaxed girl that can just throw on some sweatpants and a hoodie and call it a day. Put on some sneakers. That's all it takes for me. It doesn't take much to please me. Let me get a sip of this pumpkin spice. This is really good. Really good. It's by the brand Yogi, and it's like one of my favorite drinks of the season. So the next question is, do I have a favorite fall handbag? No ma'am, I don't. I typically carry the same old bag over and over again, unless I'm like really going out and zazzing it up for whatever occasion. Then I would switch up my handbags, but other than that, I just take any type of handbag for the season. Even though they be having some really cute handbags out this time of year, but you know, baby girl, buying all that unnecessary stuff can sometimes be expensive. So no, I do not have a favorite handbag. Question number five is, do you switch up your makeup for the autumn season? No ma'am, plain Jane over here, but I do enjoy switching up my lipsticks. Like today, I'm wearing like a deep burgundy color. So normally in the fall months, I wear burgundy or wear like a deep red color. Those are like my two go-to lipsticks. But as far as the makeup, I'm kind of like simple, you know, put a little blush on, put a little foundation. And sometimes, a whole lot of times, I actually don't even put on makeup. I just keep it moving. Question number six is, do you have a favorite autumn candle? Yes, I have two favorites. The first one is Sweater Weather by Bath and Body Works, and I just love how it gives off the smell. The aroma is really calming and relaxing. And I also like the wood with crackle candles, and the reason why I like that candle so much around the fall and Christmas times is because it sounds just like a fireplace burning. This fireplace is gas, so it don't really have that real authentic sound like wood burning, but the wood with crackle candles sound just like wood is burning, guys. I love that candle. Just to hear that candle, it just puts me in a warming place. Okay, so let me drink some more of my tea because I'm getting a little parched, a little dry mouth. This is really good. All right, so the next question is, do you have a favorite autumn meal? And yes, I love the, what is it? The butternut autumn, the butternut squash, what is it? The butternut pumpkin squash soup at Panera Bread. Yo, when I tell you, I started eating this about 3 years ago and fell in love with this soup. And it's like a seasonal soup, so they only sell it around this time of year. But lately, I've been seeing it in Food Lion, and you can purchase it there. So yeah, the butternut squash soup for Panera Bread is one of my favorites. And also, like chilies, anything that's warm and, you know, just feels really, really good when you're eating it. The next question is, do you have a favorite autumn dessert? And yes, my favorite autumn dessert, which I made the other day, actually it was Sunday, apple crisp pie. Apple crisp pie. Heaven. Oh my God. The brown sugar and the caramels on top of the soft apples. Oh, all that sugar is not good for me. But guess what? Guess what? I ate it anyway. It was the bomb. And I might be making another one soon. But not this soon though. Question number 8 is, do you like to watch autumn TV shows and movies? Yes, I do. And I normally just watch Hallmark movies. They have a lot of fall festive movies on their channel. And when I was a little girl, or when I was not really little, but when I was a little younger, I used to watch Sabrina the Teenage Witch. That was my show. It used to come on ABC. Love, 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 love that show. And actually, I might try to see if I can find that show maybe on Netflix or Hulu or something like that, because I wouldn't mind watching that show again. Question number 9, do I have any autumn traditions? And not really, unless you count going to the state fair. That's like a tradition for me. I normally go with like my nieces. I used to go with them a lot, or I would go with my friends. So they used to be a tradition. I didn't go last year. I'm not going this year, but definitely it used to be a tradition. And also, I think we're gonna make a new tradition this year and go to see the haunted house, me and my homegirls. So I'm looking forward to that. And if I do go, I will make sure to upload some footage so you guys can see that. Question number 10, what do you like doing during autumn? Honey, I enjoy relaxing. Just sitting in my house, snuggle up underneath my Steelers blanket my sister made me, watching my Steelers football game, and just relaxing, cozy up, pretty much most of the time by myself. I'm a loner. I enjoy my space, so I enjoy relaxing whenever I get a chance. Life is pretty busy, but I still do like to take one day out for myself and just relax. So that's normally what I like doing, and I try to take that one day out the week to do that. So that answers all 10 questions, and I have enjoyed this challenge. And thank you, Holly, again. And I also want to invite and tag 3 other people, and hopefully they would do this as well. So the first person is going to be Sincere Hi. I tag you, baby girl. And I'm also going to tag the only Shania. I would love for you to do this on your channel too. I'm watching you, baby girl. And I would also like to tag Ida Ray to join me with this autumn tag. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. You found out some new things about me. And if you like what you see, and haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to hit that like button and a notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I download a video. There are plenty more videos coming up, and also I will be having a giveaway soon, so make sure you watch that video when it comes out. And until later, I will chat with you down in the comments. Bye.